Hello everyone, greetings. If this is your first time here, I welcome you. If this is not your first time, thank you for coming back. Today I'm going to be doing pineapple cucumber juice. Stay tuned. For the pineapple cucumber drink, I'll be having pineapple, ginger, cucumber, lime juice, and sugar. So I'm going to start by blending the ginger. I'm going to pour some water in. I'm not going to blend the ginger too smooth because I'm going to strain it. Now I'm just going to rinse the blender out. Taking the particles from the ginger out the blender. So I'm going to pour the ginger back in. Now I'm going to put some pineapple. Okay, so it's time to add the lime juice and then the cucumber. Now I'm going to add some sugar. The juice is ready, guys. There you have it, guys. My pineapple cucumber juice. From my home to your home. I thank you so much for watching. Please remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do so and be a part of the family. Take care of yourself and loved ones. God bless.